Good morning, everyone. This is Himang sir. I'm absolutely sorry. In today, I was trying to connect to my class heavily, but the internet fluctuations were very bad due to constant rain. Plus, laptop has crashed, so I couldn't come online at that point of time. I am managing my devices as fast as I can, but as of now, we are learning marketing management philosophies, or it is also known as thinking. My dear friends, there are 5 marketing management philosophies which I would like to name first. First is called production concept. Second is called product concept. Third is called selling concept. Fourth is called marketing concept with certain pillars. And fifth is called societal marketing concept. Now, this marketing management philosophies are nothing but thinking of marketers. Some marketers believe that they want to follow production concept. Some marketers believe they want to go for product. Some believe selling, some believe marketing, and some believe societal marketing. So every marketer has their product to be offered in the market, and from that product they want to earn profit. But to market that product, they have different kind of philosophies. So that's what we are going to understand. Starting with the first one is called production concept. If I give you a basic example, all the marketers do not believe that their product will be purchased because of high quality. And even if the product is little bit pricey, customer will buy them. Many of the customers are price sensitive, which is very much obvious. So yes, there is a good amount of marketers who believe that their product should be available everywhere and their product should be affordable for the customers. Availability and affordability is the most important thing that you have to understand. When it comes to marketing concept, every marketer believes that he wants to improve distribution and efficiency of the firm. Distribution matlab product should be available at every corner, and efficiency matlab it should be affordable by the customer. The main advantage of economies of scale is actually driving this concept. Economies of scale matlab we need to do large scale production, but the per unit cost of product should always be low, because there are bunch of customer who will favor those products which are affordable and available. Affordable matlab it is very friendly on their pockets, and available matlab it is available everywhere. We don't have to drive or go to the specific location to buy them. So that's how companies want to earn profit as far as production concept is there. But what is the only drawback of this philosophy? The drawback of this philosophy is that just because product is affordable and just because product is available, it is not ensuring that the firm will be having long-term survival. Availability and affordability does not give you a long-term survival. That you always have to remember. ऐसा नहीं होता कि जो प्रोडक्ट एकदम अफोर्डेबल हो, इजीली आपके लिए अवेलेबल हो, तो आप कहीं से भी जाके तुरंत बाय कर लेते हो. जब तक आपको नीड नहीं होगी, आप उसको परचेज नहीं करोगे. तो yes, production concept is most important thing. Many people believe it, but then it's one of the philosophy that a marketer would like to follow. The second concept is called product concept. Try and understand, it's not that everyone would like the shoes of Bata, which is pocket friendly for everyone. There will be a certain bunch of customer or group of customer who may prefer Skechers over Bata. They would not like to go for an affordability. They would like to go for a comfort. They would like to go for a quality. They would like to go for that sponginess of the sole, which gives them a lot of comfort when they are wearing, walking, sitting, or doing any activity. And you also know that all customers are not going to purchase less expensive mobile phone. There will be customers who will go for a branded mobile phone, expensive mobile phone, just because of the quality. So yes, what is product concept? Product concept means there is a marketer who believe that our customer may prefer the product if product is delivering good amount of features, good amount of performance, and good amount of quality. And product quality is the key for profit maximization. Unlike production concept, the profit maximization is not happening because of distribution and efficiency. Here, profit maximization is happening because of the quality of the product. More you make qualitative product, the customer is likely to purchase that product. So basically, driving or developing quality in the product is the key to profit maximization. But then, is this kind of concept is also having drawback? Yes, definitely it is having drawback. Just because product is having quality, customer is not going to buy that product unless he needs it. Need matlab I need to have that need to buy that qualitative product. Till the time need is not arising in my senses, in my feeling, why would I buy that product? Say for an example, if iPhone is existing, it's a qualitative product. So if a qualitative product is existing in the market, that does not mean I'm going to go and buy it unless and until I need it. So product concept means what? Yes, marketer believes that customer will favor their product if product is delivering greater superior features, superior quality. Here, customer is not price sensitive. Customer is driven towards quality. So what is the key to profit maximization? My dear friend, key to profit maximization is to develop the quality of the product. More you develop the quality of the product, customer is more likely to purchase it. But is this kind of concept is also having their drawback? Yes, this kind of concept is also having the drawback. What is the drawback that we have to understand? The drawback clearly reveal over here that just because product is having quality, that does not mean customer is going to purchase it unless and until he needs it. So need is a driving factor, which is most important thing. Till now we have learned only two concepts, which was my aim for you to teach over here. I want that you please go through this video, understand both the concepts very, very thoroughly. If you have any kind of doubt, I will try to resolve tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining.